To begin troubleshooting this frustrating error, let's start by checking your device drivers. Search for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. Once Device Manager is open, look for any devices that have an exclamation mark next to them. If you find one, right-click on that driver and select the option to update it. Even if you do not see any exclamation marks, it is still a good idea to ensure your drivers are up to date. To do this, right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. Here, click on Advanced Options, then select Optional Updates. Install all the available optional updates. After installing any updates, return to the main Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates in the right pane to make sure your system is fully current. If driver updates do not resolve the issue, the next step is to run a system file check. Search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar. Make sure to right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to open it with elevated privileges. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scan and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted ones. As a final troubleshooting step, we will perform a disk check. Again, search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar and ensure you run it as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command chkdsk//f and press Enter. You will likely be prompted to schedule this check for the next system restart. Press Y, and then hit Enter to confirm. Restart your computer, and the disk check utility will run before Windows fully loads, helping to identify and fix any file system errors on your hard drive. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.